Hello there, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how I went from this right here to this. If you want to see how I revamped this wig and got it looking shiny, silky and lush, please keep on watching. The first thing I did with this wig was to wash the wig, and I used the Tresemme Clean and Replenish shampoo to wash the hair. And after washing the hair a couple of times until it was clean, what I'm going to do next is to rinse off the shampoo from the hair. After we've rinsed the hair to be clean, we're going to pour out that water and proceed to the next step of conditioning the hair. And this is the conditioner I'm going to use, and it's a Tresemme 24 hours volume conditioner. After applying the conditioner, the next thing I'm going to do is to treat the hair with keratin treatment. I'm going to apply this all over the entire hair to ensure that the strands are evenly saturated. Next, what I'm going to do after applying that, I'm going to use my castor oil, and this is going to just help straighten the strands of this hair, because my client has had this wig for over 6 years. It was one of the very first hairs I sewed, and she had been buying hair from me for the past 6 years. I'm really so grateful for her. May God bless her and, replenish her pocket and all. So after treating the hair, I proceeded to rinse off the treatment from the hair. I left the treatment that I put on the hair for about 2 hours before I went over to rinsing it off. And this is me right here just brushing through the hair, and after brushing through the hair I air dried it, and this is what the hair looks like after it has been washed. You can see that the hair, without even any oil or any serum on it, it's shiny. The strands are shiny. It looks very healthy, and this wig right here is 6 years old. Tell me that she wants to use this hair for another 10 years. This hair is really high quality, and I'm very happy about it. So what I'm doing right now is sectioning off the upper part of the hair so that I can proceed to styling the hair. And to section off the hair, you need hair clips. You need to invest in getting hair clips, because it's what is going to help you hold up the hair on top while you proceed to combing through the hair on the bottom part of the wig and start styling it. To moisturize this hair, I'm going to be using the Moroccan Argan Oil Serum, and also spray my heat protectant spray all over the hair and just massage through the hair to ensure the products are evenly distributed. The next section of a part of that large chunk of hair that we already applied our moisturizer and heat protectant spray on, and start straightening the hair in really small sections. You can see while I'm straightening this hair that the hair is becoming more sleek and really shiny and very healthy. From just looking at the hair from this video, you see that the hair is really healthy. And what I'm doing with my clipper is evening out the bottom part of the hair, because I had to re-wig this hair for her. She brought an old closure, because the prices of closures right now is really expensive, and it's because of the dollar rate. So she brought a closure that she removed from another wig, and I just changed the closure, used the new closure that she brought and added it to make a wig with the bundles, because the old closure that this wig came with had already become too soft and it was tearing. Because the reality is that most times you can't use a closure for more than, let's say, 5 years, because it's fabric. It's going to get worn out at some point. So what you can do is you can change the closure, or let's say you can choose to make the wig into like a half wig and use your hair in front, or you can choose to do it like a V-part wig, whichever one you feel like you like. And I re-wigged it. That's probably the reason why I need to trim the bottom part, because you notice that it's a bit uneven, and that's because I had to re-wig the hair. Most times when you have to re-wig hair, you notice that the bottom part is no longer even, especially when the hair was probably like a blonde coat. You need to trim the bottom part to get it to look even again. Back to the process of styling this hair, you notice that I'm really working in really small sections. I apply my heat protectant spray, apply my Moroccan Argan Oil Serum to the hair. I comb through with it, and I start to straighten it with my hair straightener. You can use any very good hair straightener that you have. You can invest in the ones that have like these titanium plates. They are really good. But the one I'm using for this tutorial is from Cloud9. I've been using it for a while, but hopefully I should upgrade to something better. If you're getting value from this video, please make sure you give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any uploads from me. Yeah, please subscribe. And also you can check out my ebooks on Amazon or on my website. Rather, the ebook is on my website while the paperback is on Amazon. So if you've not purchased my book, How to Start Your Hair Business and Hair Extensions and How to Test Its Quality, please head over to my website. The link is in the description box, so you could purchase these ebooks and learn a lot about hair extensions and how to start your hair business if you're somebody who is looking to start your hair business. So you can see that with styling the hair, I'm really progressing. I'm around the closure area right now, and I'm just styling the hair that is close to the closure area. And what I'm doing right now is just moisturizing the hair with that Moroccan Argan Oil Serum, because you need to moisturize your hair. And after moisturizing the hair with the serum, I'm going to spray my heat protectant and continue straightening the hair. The Moroccan Argan Oil Serum adds moisture to your hair, because hair needs moisture. It could be in the form of water, it could be in the form of oil. And water comes in terms of when you want to clean the hair. That is like washing the hair. It's going to take off any of the dirt, dust, whatever it is that is trapped in the hair that doesn't make the hair look as healthy as it should. By washing the hair looks cleaner and more healthy. And by applying oil to the hair, it makes the hair have nutrients that helps it to not get dried out. Because the truth is, when you cut off hair from your head, because the hair is not getting any nutrients, it's going to start becoming weaker and weaker. That's why it's important that you actually wash your hair, you treat it, you apply serums to it, like the very good quality serum like the Moroccan Argan Oil Serum that I use. And you use heat protectant spray when you're styling the hair to prevent the hair from being damaged as a result of excessive heat. So follow every step that I show you in these videos on how you can maintain your wigs, because you don't want a situation whereby you spend a lot of money to buy hair extensions, especially when it's very good quality hair extension. If it's synthetic hair, don't stress yourself. You could just work with it. You don't really need to style it so much. You don't need to style it with heat. You don't need to use serums and the rest of it. But if it's real human hair extension, it needs maintenance. And if you maintain your hair really well, you're going to have that hair for 10 years to 20 years. Like I told you, the owner of this wig right here has had this hair for 6 years. And if you're looking at this hair, you can obviously see that she can still have this hair for another 10 years to 15 years. So long as she's maintaining it well. And the thing is, she always sends the hair to me for me to do the maintenance for her. I think that's probably the reason why it also still looks really good. So what I'm doing right now is styling the closure area. You can see that I applied hair wax to the closure area to lay the flyaway hairs on the closure, while I'm using my hot coiling wand to flatten the hair around the closure area and comb through the hair. Yes, and I'm just trying to ensure that the pattern on the closure is clean, it's straight, and I'm just styling the hair all around the closure. Don't forget that if you're getting value from this video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also hit the post notification bell. You want to turn it on so that whenever I upload a new video to my channel, you get to be the first to watch it. And leave a question in the comment section of what you want to see on my channel, like what type of hairstyling do you want to see on my channel, what do you want to see, do you want me to talk about a particular hairstyle? Just let me know in the comment section and I'll film a video to respond to your question. Yeah, and I know there are lots of questions I haven't responded to, and I haven't been doing sit down videos in a very long time, but I think I want to get back to doing seated videos. I've been really away from doing that, but I think I'm going to get back to that, because it's when I'm doing that I'm able to respond to questions. But for the past months when I've not been able to do that, I'm just like showing you the work I've been doing behind the scenes without really showing my face. But if you want to see my face, ask a question and hopefully I'll start filming sit down videos responding to questions that you have. So guys, we are almost done with this tutorial. If you got value from it, let me know in the comment section. Show me some love and follow me on Instagram, Linda Asemedo. My business page is ENL Beauty Hair on Instagram, where I sell wigs. And this is the finished look, guys. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and if you got value from it, please make sure you smash the like button, share this video with somebody who's also going to get value out of it, and remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. Remember, chase after every dream, every desire that you have. God gave you those dreams and desires for a reason. Pursue it. Thanks for watching.